God, you call me by my name.
Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. And yeah, I'm excited to get back into doing more wigs. You guys said, oh Chrissy, I didn't see a wig this week, and I know fall is coming. There's lots of different wigs and stuff, and yes. Now, today's video is sponsored by Nadula Hair, and this is a staple for me. The wig is inside this box. I wear it so many times. Every time I get a wig like this, you guys ask me about it. It's a bob, and I decided to go with a 10-inch bob this time because when I wear the longer bobs, if I'm going with straight, I typically cut them. So I'm going in with a 10-inch. It's a bob straight Yaki wig, and we're gonna get into it. Every time I do a bob wig, you guys, oh Chrissy, can I have this wig? Chrissy, I really need this wig. So I'm back with it, and it has gained so many different, you know, highlights whenever I wear it. Now this particular bob is bye knots. It is pre everything, so it's gonna be super easy for you once you purchase it to install the hair, and I love that. It's also a 7x5 lace wig. This is it. Y'all know the wigs already come in a bag. We're gonna open up and talk about it a little bit more. Before we get into that, you know, once you purchase your wig, you get your goodies, your wig cap, your edge band, of course, and a comb. You also get a bag to store your wigs in, so you don't have to worry. Now you also have some tapes if you want it real glueless. You just want the tapes to be on the sides. You can definitely do that, but for me, I don't. Okay. Oh yes, this feels so good. This is what I am talking about. Now I want you guys to take a good look at the lace, how beautiful this is. The Yaki texture is very easy to manage. If you wear this wig, you can style it, you can straighten it, you can curl it. This is what I love about Yaki texture. You can straighten this wig, and yes, it can take the heat. Okay, I really like it, and the quality is amazing as well. It's very affordable, so look at it. But let's get into the lace. This is an important part of when you're wearing a wig, so we want to talk about it. Now, the lace is already pre-bleached. It's pre-cut, as you guys can see, pre-part, pre-everything. It's prepped for you pre-cut. This one is a 10-inch, and we definitely gonna go in with it. And another selling feature of this wig, for it to be even more secure as a glueless wig, is that it is a drawstring. This is what I love. Now the drawstring, this is how it is. It's very easy. You're gonna see that there's a string on the wig. All you gotta do once it's on your head is pull it down. Once you pull it down, it's gonna get tight, okay? And then you have an extra piece right here that you're also gonna pull down for it to be secure. Once you do that, the extra card, you're gonna tuck it underneath your wig so it will not show. It should look something like this. Now this is a really good feature. Every time I wear a wig, I try to see if it do have a drawstring. Now to get rid of the drawstring, all you gotta do is pull it out, okay? Very easy. I love my wigs with a comb at the back. It's also for extra security, and we have a band also. So this wig is not going anywhere on your head because we do have a adjustable band as well. Love that. So I'm gonna prep this wig, and we are gonna get into the install, but I want to go in because it's a 10-inch bob, and I'm gonna prep with the flat iron, so it's gonna be even easier for me. We also have another extra layer of security where you could pull this. You could not, you don't have to use this part because you could let it stay like this, or sometimes for me, When I wear my wigs too much, I use these two and I bring them together. Now, like I said, this is the 10-inch Yaki straight from Nadula Hair. Real nice feeling. It's very affordable. We're gonna style this wig and I will be back. Before you go, make sure you like the video, leave a comment, and tell me if you like bob wigs. Let's talk about it in the comment section because I will also have a discount code for you. So let's talk about it. Are you interested in bob wigs? Do you think they fit you? Because for me, I get so many compliments. I even want to show you guys this. Look at this. My phone is actually wearing a bob wig right now. This is so classy. I love, love, love it. So you guys already know it's a staple for me. All right, so let's get into this and I'll be back, y'all. So we are doing the hair. I did the back already, so we're just doing the front. And I wanted this to be so good, so I decided to do the flat iron part on the mannequin head, which is super easy. This been doing less than 5 minutes. Okay, that's what I love about the Yaki texture. So if you guys are not getting into that, you should. And my iron is at 455, 450 now. I guess I turn it down. I don't know how, but it's at 450. And don't worry, you can do this on your head. It's very easy to do. I wanted to do it on the mannequin because it's the 10-inch wig and I wanted to get the back so good. So hence why I decided to do it on the mannequin. But you don't have a mannequin, your head is perfect for that. So I'm gonna show you guys once I am done. The only thing is, once I'm done and I add the wig, I will go back in to form the sides to make sure that it frames my face. We are gonna pull the string at the back so it is very much secure. I know we have persons who don't really like to wear their hair straight. Now I am going to that hurts. I'm just going to show you guys that you don't have to wear your bob straight. You can add a little bit of curl to frame your face however you want it. So we are going to go in like this. Is perfect. I just need to fix it on my head now. Now it's on a real head. All I gotta do is fix it, and we are gonna do that. Absolutely love this. And then I will show you guys, for all the persons who like a little bit more curl, how you can achieve that look. Okay, now I'm gonna go in a little bit more because we need to fix the parting at the top. So I'm gonna plug up everything that's needed. This is it. What I am going to do is we are gonna clip some off right here. That's all. I love me a bob. I cannot go wrong with a bob. And because I style the hair or straighten the hair on the mannequin, it was just easy to add to your head. Now when it comes on to a Yaki straight, you don't have to worry about that because it just doesn't require a lot. Okay, you don't have to worry about that. So what we're gonna do is, and this is very much optional, you don't have to, I just wanted to, because we went with the 10-inch bob, I really just wanted it to be like this. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I styled the, I think is it 14 or 12-inch, but I will do that on TikTok, so you guys will see that over on TikTok. And I'm gonna work with a side part on that bob. So if you want a shorter bob, a longer bob, it doesn't matter, you can use that. Love this. This is so classy, and I did nothing to the hair. All I did was make sure I flat the hair. I actually have my flat iron on so we can go through if we wish, because it's now on your head, so you could frame it to your face. And for some reason I still feel like I want to take off a little bit more. Now for a 10-inch, we don't have to do nothing. If you like your bob to have that layered look, then you don't have to touch it. You definitely don't need the scissors for this part, but this was super easy, and this is one of the most selling wigs that I've worn. Every time I wear a bob, I get so much compliment. I get so many people saying, Chrissy, I need that wig, or Chrissy, I love that hair on you. So with that being said, I had to come back and show you guys that it's that season for you to get into that classy girly girl look, and the bob does that. Now, what do you think about it being straight? Let me ask you guys, do you like to wear your bob straight, or do you rather having a little bit of curl in it? Because we're gonna create some curls. You see how that fall? We did not have to touch this with cutting. So Nadula did an excellent job with cutting the 10-inch bob. Love, love, love it. And it's 7x5 pre everything, so you ain't gotta worry about nothing. The most you'll need to do is, depends on your complexion, then you might have to add makeup or lace tint to the lace, but nothing is required. All you gotta do, purchase the wig and put it on. Okay, now this is how it looks. We are gonna get into styling and adding a little bit of curls, and then I want you guys to tell me what you like the most. Do you like it straight, or do you like it with a different curl? But definitely I will show you guys the versatility of this wig. Okay, and do remember that it also has the drawstring, so it's gonna fit your head size. You don't have to wonder if it's gonna fit you. There is a drawstring at the back and the extra comb and the elastic band, so it's ready for you. Okay, now this is it. Let's get into creating some curls so this will fit your face as well. I love it.
I don't know. Leave me here out for myself. Spin the mirror out of myself. Don't need myself for my wealth. But it's been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. I'm gone for a year, only felt like months. Life move fast and you do what you want. I decide what I want. Hope you do what you want. Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you fuss it up, please miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, I want you, Can I tell you something for what it's worth? Breathe heaven, lights on.
Here we go. Alright, that's much better. Now this is it, guys. Make sure you check the description, and thank you to Nadula for sponsoring this video. Make sure you get this. A coupon code will be in the description for you, so you could save on purchasing this wig.
Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch.
did a side part straight and I love it. Yeah, for our 10-inch, I like it. So you guys, even though the wig came as a middle part, you don't have to do a middle part, because as you guys can see, I went ahead with a side part. Let me highlight that a little bit more. We need to highlight that part right there. It was super easy to change, to do the flip over, very easy, so you don't have to worry. All right, there we go. See how simple, easy, but I really like it. So this is a side part. Do you guys like it in the middle or the side? I feel like the side is giving more Sister Chrissy and, you know, work vibe. The middle part is giving that classy look. So I really like both look. So this is your sign to get this here. The link will be in the description. Like I said, you guys you'll get a discount as well. So the direct link will be there. You don't have to wear it as a middle part. You can go side, you can add curls, whatever you want to do. I just wanted to show you guys as a side straight, and it is a Yaki texture as well. So it do have the option to add heat to it. You don't have to worry. So this is it. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Tell me which one you like, the middle part or the side part. Bye.